In today's video, I am going to teach you how to edit Thank You default page in Brevo. This process lets you change what people see after they submit a form, so you can match your message and branding. We will keep it simple and follow the exact path inside Brevo, from opening your form settings to saving the update. First, log into your Brevo account. Once you are signed in, look for the main navigation area where you manage contacts and forms. The goal in this step is just to get to the correct section, because the Thank You page settings live inside the form editor. Next, navigate to Contacts, then choose Forms. As you click through, you should see a list of forms that you already have set up. Take a moment to identify the specific form that you want to edit. This matters because Brevo allows you to customize confirmation behavior per form, not globally across everything. Now, click on the name of the form you want to edit. This opens the form so you can adjust its behavior. If you are unsure which form is the right one, you can quickly scan the names and choose the one that corresponds to the sign-up or contact flow you are working on. From here, you will click through the Form Builder steps until you reach the Settings tab. The builder is usually organized into different sections, so you may see things like General Setup and Content before you arrive at Settings. This step is important because the Thank You confirmation options are located specifically under Settings. When you are in the Settings tab, locate the Double Confirmation or Subscription Confirmation section. Depending on your form type and configuration, the wording can be slightly different, but it will be in the settings area. This is the part of the form that controls what happens after someone submits, including the message or link that appears next. Once you find that confirmation section, you can enter your custom URL or use the built-in editor to modify the message content. If your goal is to send people to a different destination after submission, you will use the custom URL field. If your goal is to change the text they see on the confirmation screen, you will use the message editor. Take your time here to review what is currently displayed, then replace it with the wording you want. As you update the message or URL, it is helpful to think about the user experience. The thank you message usually confirms the submission and sets expectations for what happens next. Keep the message clear and aligned with the action the user just took, so it feels consistent and trustworthy. After you make your changes, click Save to apply the updates. This is a crucial step because it ensures your new thank you page content or destination is actually stored in Brevo. If you skip saving, your edits might not show up for visitors. At this point, your form is ready. You can return to the form preview or test submission flow to confirm that the thank you page displays the way you expect, based on the new settings you just entered. If anything does not look right, you can go back to the Settings tab, adjust the message or URL again, and save once more. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.